What do great managers and proactive HR teams do to truly know the issues and moods around their teams? They ask. LogMeIn is growing fast. In our environment, being a member of a team or a manager is demanding. It requires focus on team performance at all times. But it's hard to be proactive when much of our time is spent reacting to the challenges we face. Our high workloads, shyness for some people to speak openly in a team setting or to their managers, geographic separation, and even cultural differences. But then it happens. Someone quits, or the team morale dives to rock bottom, or we ourselves start to feel disengaged from our work.
Wouldn't it be great if, as a manager, I had early detection of problems just as they were emerging? If I could see the mood of my team and quickly react to issues on a daily basis? If I could poll my direct reports with a quick survey about how I'm doing as their manager?
Wouldn't it be great if, as a member of my Scrum team, I had a way to anonymously tell my team how I feel and to know how they feel? Also, it would be nice if our product owner would know our moods too.
Wouldn't it be great if, as an HR leader, I had a simple way to push out quick surveys, like an internal Net Promoter Score rating to our employee base? It should be easier than using SurveyMonkey. No one needs more email, and we live in a mobile world.
Welcome to LogMeIn's MoodRing, your mobile partner to better awareness, easier engagement, and quicker responses to issues before they end up as major problems. LogMeIn's MoodRing simply helps you start the right conversations at the right time. We created two types of communication modes. First, a team tracker, where you can invite your team to track some relevant piece of data over time. And second, a push survey, where one person is seeking to aggregate data from a set of people. We call these modes rings, a group of people organized so that their data sets are visible to everyone in the ring. Any of my rings requesting my input will automatically show up under the My Activity screen, and will use native notification alerts to let me know I have an action to do within one or more of my rings. Let's view the two examples of our ring modes we created for the hackathon. This is my activity screen, showing I have two rings with actions required. First, this is my Scrum team's mood tracker. Everyone on my Scrum team tracks their mood at the end of every day during our sprint. And today I did really well on my tasks. So I'm going to drag around the entry ring to show that my mood is excellent. It's a very simple swipe. It has a built-in visual and text cues to provide details of your choice. I can then enter a simple comment, provide a bit of context to my mood, finished all my tasks, and then simply submit. I'm done. Now, back to my activity list, and I have one more action to take, this time with a mini push survey. Dina is asking me to enter this quarter's internal Net Promoter Score about how I feel about recommending LogMeIn to others as a place to work. It's a simple way for her to get a sense of how people are engaged without a long and expensive survey. So let's enter my rating for this ring. As you see, it's the same entry method as the team tracker. I drag the button to my desired answer, and I'm feeling pretty good. So on a scale of 0 to 10, I'm going to answer her question with a 9. And I'm going to add a comment here too. I love last Fridays. And then submit. So easy and no email. MoodRing also lets me and my team track historical data. If I go to my team tracker about our mood, I can see historical data for my own moods and the average for my team in both a list format and as a graph. This is pretty handy as I enter into that retrospective meeting. And the same for Dina's push survey. I can go back and see the last 4 quarters of our company internal NPS score. We all get to see how the company is doing, how we rate the company. The essential data is transparent to everyone in the rings. Finally, in this prototype version, we created a simple web-based team invite function, so you may set up your own rings to track team mood or NPS of your team, and the invite is by simple email. Our ultimate goal with LogMeIn's MoodRing is to provide a native app for the 3 major mobile platforms. We want the MoodRing to go with you and work in your mobile lifestyle. We aim to provide a more comprehensive reporting function and team management within the apps in the future, but we proudly provide the iOS app and the web-based team management available for the judging teams to play with over the next week.
The MoodRing team used the same battle-tested technologies as other successful LogMeIn products that serve millions worldwide. data storage in SQL Server so the data stays in-house, a reliable API service based on ASP.NET, a high-quality native iPhone app, and a modern RESTful API for communication. The source code is available for every employee to promote and ensure transparency and anonymity.